Hi, I'm Sherry, owner and designer for Sharika Originals Handcrafted Gifts, where we create jewelry for those who are deliberately different. We also create YouTube tutorials to bring out your creative genius. Today I'm just going to play around with some leather and some fabric. I have some veg tanned leather here that I'm going to cut a piece of. It's a very thin leather, and I can either cut it on my Glowforge or I can cut it in my Sizzix. So that's why I'm using this leather, so I can have the flexibility of doing whichever one I want to do. Cut it, laser cut it on the Glowforge, or cut it otherwise. I also have some miscellaneous fabric strips that I have. I got some denim strips here, denim pieces that I have here, and a whole bunch of fabric pieces, remnants that I have. So I'm just going to cut these up in little pieces and see what kind of earrings we want to make with them. All right, so I'm going to go to my desktop and get to work. I'm going to attach my fabric to the wrong side of my leather because I'm going to paint the right side of the leather. I love how this turned out. Now I need to paint the back. A third way that I can cut my material is by using my shape templates. I'll leave a link to the shape templates. They come in a set of 10 different shapes that you can use to just make your shapes more precise. Now that I have my shapes cut, I'm almost done. All I need to do is put my holes in my material and then put my pendant clasp ear hooks on, and I'm gonna be done. I can't put my hand on my little handy hole puncher, so I have to do it the old-fashioned way. I'm going to use my Sizzix die cutter to cut another pair of earrings. Here's what we have, denim patchwork earrings. I love them. Do you have pieces of scrap fabric that you could use to do this with? It's pretty easy. All right, good people, you know the drill. If you like this video, please like, share, leave me a thumbs up, leave me a comment. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget our Tuesday Live. This is Sherry saying, as always, be blessed.